If you want to add a widget to the home screen on Samsung Galaxy A37, you have two main ways that allow you to do so. You can press and hold your finger on an empty space on the home screen, and then here at the bottom we're going to use the widgets option. At the top you can find some example widgets that you can of course use if you want to, or you can scroll through this list in order to find an app that you have installed that allows you to get a widget. So let's say in my case I'm just going to use this news option over here, this news app, and if I want to add a widget I can just simply tap on the widget in order to find the add button, or you can press and hold your finger on that widget. So this is how it works with add. And in the case of pressing and holding, let me try to find exactly the same one, there we go. We can press and hold our finger and then we can just drag it and drop it pretty much anywhere you want to. In my case those widgets did not load for some reason, but in theory we should be able to get it. Now let's check another way. So if you want to also add a widget from a specific app, if you already know which app you're looking for, and if you know that this app has widgets, then you can press and hold your finger on that app, and then in these options you should be able to find widgets. Then you will see widgets that are provided only by this specific app, and then you can just add it exactly the same way as before. So you can, for example, press and hold your finger and then drag and drop it anywhere you want to. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.